You drink your 8 glasses of water a day. You get 8 hours of sleep. Yet without fail, 2 p.m. rolls around and you hit a brick wall of exhaustion. So you reach for another coffee. But what if I told you that the very water you're drinking to stay healthy is exactly what's causing your energy crashes?
It sounds crazy, but drinking plain, filtered water might be actively dehydrating you at a cellular level. Today, I'm going to show you a bizarre, ancient hack that takes less than 5 seconds, costs literally pennies, and uses something you probably already have in your kitchen to completely eliminate your midday brain fog and energy crashes. Stop drinking water until you watch this. Welcome back. If you're constantly feeling fatigued, dealing with brain fog, or experiencing those annoying muscle twitches, you've probably been told you need to hydrate more. But here is the brutal truth that the multi-billion-dollar bottled water industry isn't telling you. Hydration is not about how much water you swallow. It is about how much water actually makes it inside your cells. Right now, your body is likely experiencing a hidden epidemic, chronic cellular mineral deficiency. We are the most overfed, yet undernourished generation in human history. When you drink heavily filtered, purified water, like reverse osmosis or most bottled waters, you are drinking dead water. It has been stripped of all its natural minerals. And because water is a universal solvent, when dead water enters your body, it acts like a magnet. It pulls vital minerals out of your bones and tissues, and you literally pee them down the drain. By the end of this video, you are going to learn the exact protocol for using ancient, unrefined salt to turn your dead water into an electrifying energy source. You'll understand the biological magic of trace minerals, why white table salt is basically poison, and how a single pinch of the right salt can change your life, starting today. To understand the hack, we have to understand the crime. Let's talk about the spark of life, electrolytes. Your brain and your nervous system run on electricity. Every time your heart beats, every time you form a thought, every time you move a muscle, it requires an electrical charge. That charge is generated by a microscopic mechanism in your cells called the sodium-potassium pump. When you lack sodium, magnesium, and potassium, your body's battery goes flat. It's like trying to run a Tesla on AAA batteries. You get tired, you get brain fog. Your body sends out a distress signal, which usually manifests as a sugar craving or a caffeine withdrawal. Now, think about human history. For thousands of years, our ancestors drank from streams, rivers, and springs. This water tumbled over rocks, picking up magnesium, calcium, potassium, and dozens of other trace minerals. It was naturally hard water. It was alive. Today, our tap water is treated with chlorine and fluoride to kill bacteria, which is great for stopping cholera, but terrible for our cellular health. Then we filter it through aggressive systems to make it safe, removing whatever minerals were left. So you dutifully chug your hydro flask all day. Your blood volume goes up, which triggers your kidneys to flush the excess water. And what goes out with that water? The last remaining reserves of sodium and magnesium in your body. You aren't tired because you need more coffee. You are tired because your cells literally do not have the raw electrical materials to produce ATP, the energy currency of your body. But wait, you might say, don't I get minerals from my food? I eat salads. And don't doctors say we eat too much salt? Here is where the massive medical misunderstanding happens. Let's address the food first. Due to modern monocrop agriculture, our soil is practically dead. A bowl of spinach today has a fraction of the magnesium it had in 1950. You simply cannot eat enough vegetables to get your daily trace minerals anymore. And then there's the salt problem. When doctors say reduce your salt intake, they are talking about commercial white table salt. Commercial table salt is a highly processed chemical. It is mined, heated to over 1,200 degrees Fahrenheit, bleached to make it perfectly white, and stripped of all 82 trace minerals until only 2 elements remain, sodium and chloride. Then they pump it full of anti-caking agents, like aluminum derivatives, so it doesn't clump in the shaker. This white table salt is highly acidic and causes massive inflammation and water retention. It is toxic to your cells. But putting all salt in the same category is like saying a fast food greasy hamburger is the exact same thing as a wild-caught salmon, because they are both protein. It's biologically absurd. Enter ancient salt. I'm talking about unrefined Celtic sea salt, Himalayan pink salt, or Baja gold salt. These salts are harvested from ancient, pristine seabeds that have been untouched by modern microplastics and pollution. Unlike the bleached white table salt, these ancient salts contain upwards of 82 naturally occurring trace minerals. Let's look specifically at Celtic sea salt. If you've ever bought it, you'll notice something annoying about it. It's wet. It clumps together. Why? Because it is packed with magnesium, and magnesium is a water-loving mineral. It pulls moisture from the air. When you introduce this mineral profile into your body, magic happens. The magnesium acts as the key that unlocks the cell membrane. The sodium and potassium rush in, pulling the water inside the cell where it belongs. Suddenly, your intracellular hydration skyrockets. Your sodium-potassium pumps fire up. Your nervous system is bathed in the exact electrical conductivity it needs to function. The result? The brain fog lifts. The 2 p.m. energy crash vanishes. Your digestion improves because your body now has the chloride it needs to make stomach acid. You might even find your sleep deepens dramatically. So how do you actually use this without turning your drinking water into a disgusting cup of ocean water? It's incredibly simple. This is the exact protocol. Step 1. Get a high-quality, unrefined salt. Look for Celtic sea salt, the gray, wet kind, or genuine Himalayan pink salt. Throw your bleached white table salt in the trash today. Step 2. Do not mix it into your water glass. If you put it in a large glass of water, it dilutes the concentration and the water just tastes bad. Step 3. The sublingual hack. Take a single tiny crystal of this salt, just a pinch. Place it directly on your tongue. Your mouth is full of mucous membranes. When you place the salt on your tongue, the minerals are absorbed instantly into your bloodstream, bypassing the digestive tract. Step 4. Wait about 5 to 10 seconds for the salt to begin dissolving, and then drink a regular glass of your filtered water. The minerals are already in your system, acting like a molecular welcoming committee, pulling the water you just drank directly into your thirsty cells. Do this first thing in the morning when you wake up, and once more around 1 p.m., right before your usual afternoon crash. Try this for just 3 days. It costs almost nothing, and I guarantee you will feel a dramatic shift in your baseline energy levels. But fixing your cellular hydration is only step 1. If you want to completely bulletproof your energy and stop relying on caffeine, you have to fix what's happening in your gut. Your microbiome actually dictates your energy levels more than your brain does. I did a deep dive into the 3 foods that are secretly destroying your gut health and how to fix it fast. Click the video on the screen right now to watch that next. Your energy levels will thank you. Stay hydrated, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.